Meaning of handcuffs.
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 Handcuffs. Handcuffs are a type of restraining device, typically made of metal, designed to secure a person's wrists together. They are commonly used by law enforcement officers to restrain individuals who have been arrested or detained for criminal activity. Handcuffs can limit a person's ability to move their arms and hands, making it difficult for them to resist arrest or harm themselves or others. They have been a standard tool in policing for many decades and remain a controversial symbol of the power dynamic between police and citizens.